and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to elevate your style and appear more put together. We all have those moments when we look in the mirror and feel like we need to step up our game, right? Well, I'm here to show you how to achieve a clean and polished look without breaking the bank. Because looking clean and put together involves a combination of personal grooming, clothing choices, and overall presentation. So if you're looking to up your style game and make a lasting impression, then you're in the right place. Let's start by focusing on personal grooming. When we talk about personal grooming, we're talking about cleanliness, health, and confidence. Start your daily routine with a refreshing shower, apply some deodorant, and brush your teeth. These are the basics and non-negotiable. Keep your skin clean and hydrated using a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and don't forget the sunscreen. Style your hair neatly, regardless of whether it's short or long, keeping it clean and well-maintained. Regular haircuts or trims are essential for maintaining a polished look. Pay attention to your nails too. Well-groomed nails can add a touch of class to your overall appearance. And if you're into makeup, opt for natural and subtle tones for a polished look. Now let's move on to clothing. Every great outfit starts with the basics. Make sure your wardrobe is stocked with classic and versatile pieces. Black and white are timeless color combinations that always look chic. Invest in some staple black and white pieces that you can mix and match to create different looks. Avoid overly trendy items that may go out of style quickly and opt for timeless pieces that will stand the test of time. When it comes to accessories, less is more. Opt for simple and understated accessories that complement your overall look. A sleek watch, a classic belt, or a stylish scarf can add a touch of elegance to your outfit. And for footwear, choose clean and well-maintained shoes that complement your look. Whether you prefer sneakers or heels, make sure they're appropriate for the occasion. Attention to detail is key. Keep your overall look simple and elegant, avoiding excessive accessories or overly complicated outfits. Pay attention to small details like coordinating belt and shoe colors, ensuring buttons are fastened, and tucking in your shirt if necessary. A subtle spritz of fragrance, such as cologne or perfume, can enhance your overall presentation. Just remember to keep it subtle and not overpowering. In conclusion, looking clean and put together is not just about following strict rules, but rather about presenting yourself in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Adapt these tips to your personal style and preferences for the best results. Remember, your style should reflect who you are and make you feel happy and confident.